while this is the figure that we get in the process when the disturbance occurs in the coherent tuning. And this is when a disturbance is occurred in Ziegler and Miskolc tuning. In the result show that the best tuning method is the internal model control for the single loop gas mass flow process. The INC is totally conducted using the PI controller and PID controller. INC have slightly similar tuning result, which is the mass flow response rate line within the steady state at the set point as shown in the result part.
Hello, my name is Nor Afifa and I am going to present about conclusion of this experiment. If we compare between these two simulations, Trial 2 is more stable than Trial 1, where Trial 2 can recover steady state more frequently at set point than Trial 1 when disturbance is applied. Moreover, Trial 1 results in high KC value that will lead the unstable for unwanted amount of oscillation. This affects in high degree of oscillation in Trial 1 than Trial 2. In this experiment, three methods have been applied to compare the best tuning process for single-loop gas mass flow process, which are internal model control, IMC, Ziegler-Nichols methods, and Cohen-Kuhn methods. Between these three, internal model control IMC is the best tuning method because it is more stable than Ziegler-Nichols and Cohen-Kuhn. The best comparison for these three are the results in oscillatory should be minimal or none at all after disturbance is applied, and the steady state must be recovered at the set state. And that's all for our presentation for lab report of PID controller tuning of simulated gas mass flow process from my Benders group. Thank you and see you again.